In this video, we will be looking at possessive pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can be used to replace a noun or a noun phrase to avoid repetition across a sentence or a paragraph. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership. As with common pronouns, they can also be used to avoid repetition within a sentence. Those blue pyjamas are my blue pyjamas. We can replace the noun phrase my blue pyjamas with the possessive pronoun mine. Those blue pyjamas are mine. In this sentence, the word mine is being used to show ownership. In this case, that I own the blue pyjamas. Let's take a look at some other examples. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are all examples of possessive pronouns. This medicine is yours. Those dungarees are hers. That baby crocodile is now theirs. Take a look at this question. You're being asked to circle the possessive pronoun. The van beside ours, which belongs to Daisy's dad, has a sticker on the window. Have you spotted the possessive pronoun? That's right, the word ours is being used to replace a noun phrase and show ownership. Hoo-yah! This question is asking you to underline the possessive pronoun in the passage. My uncle showed me lots of different paintings in the art gallery. I was really excited to guess which of them were his. There are lots of pronouns in this passage, but can you spot the possessive pronoun? That's it, the answer is his. Our final question looks a little different. In this one, you're being asked to replace the underlined word or words in each sentence with the correct possessive pronoun. You may wish to write down your answer on a whiteboard or piece of paper, or you may just wish to say it out loud. Pause the video now and hit play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Brilliant. Let's take a look at the first sentence. This picnic belongs to us. This picnic is... Well done if you said the word ours. Which possessive pronoun have you chosen for the next sentence? These chickens belong to me. These chickens are... Well done if you chose the word mine. Let's look at the final question. Those building blocks belong to my little sister. Those building blocks are... What do you think? That's right, this sentence is missing the possessive pronoun hers. Well done if you got all of those questions right. Hoo-yah! If you are still needing some more SPAG help, then we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. See you soon!